If what I am is what's in me, then I'll stay strong, that's who I'll be. And I will always be the best me that I can be. There's only one me, I admit. Have a dream, I'll follow it. It's up to me to try. Oh, I'ma keep my head up high. Keep on reaching high. Never gonna quit, I'll keep getting stronger. And nothing's gonna bring me down. Never gonna stop, gotta go. Because I know I'll keep getting stronger. And what I am is thoughtful. And what I am is musical. And what I am is smart. And what I am is and what I am is helpful. And what I am is special. There's nothing I can't achieve because in myself I believe in. Though gonna keep our heads up high. Keep on reaching high. Never gonna quit, just keep getting stronger. And nothing's gonna bring us down. Never giving up, gotta go. Because I know I'll keep getting stronger. What I am is what I am is what I am is what I am is what you are is and what you are is. There's nothing I can't achieve because in myself I believe in you. Gonna hold my head up high. Keep on reaching high. I'm never gonna stop. I'll keep getting stronger. Nothing's gonna bring me down. Never give it up, gotta go. Yeah, I'll keep getting stronger.
From among the rolling hills of Harleysville, we're live, well, not quite, from the Oak Ridge TV studio. It's news from the Nest.
Hello, Oak Ridge Owls, and welcome to week 5, and it is the first 5-day school week of the year. And I know it's going to be a great one, just like the first 4 were. Last week we ended with a great day with our International Day of Peace, which we'll see a little clip about that and all the work that the 4th graders and Mrs. Borowski did. And a couple weeks back, we haven't shown you on News from the Nest yet, but a couple weeks back we had our Back to School Bash, and we have some great highlights from that. We are off to a fantastic school year, and let's just keep it going. It's the last week of September, so enjoy it and make it count. And keep Oak Ridge soaring.
On Friday, the 4th grade classes had their pinwheels project from Mrs. Browski's art class on display to welcome the students to school. The pinwheels project was a way for our school to recognize the International Day of Peace, which is September 21st. We hope you enjoy seeing the pinwheels in our hallway on Friday.
Over 900 parents, students, teachers celebrated the Back to School Bash, hosted by Home and School. It was so much fun, with games, pizza, and ice pops, with great tunes spun by DJ Mr. Kelly. Our Back to School Bash was a huge success. Thank you, Home and School.
Congratulations, whatever class.
Hey! I knew it!
I didn't know it!
Congratulations, you're the player of the week. Catch me if you can.
Oh no, I think the roof is leaking.
The word of the week is repair.
We better get up there before it floods in here.
Repair means to fix something that is damaged or broken.
But President Kennedy said not to fix the roof when it's still raining, so here's
This week's quote of the week comes from John F. Kennedy.
the time to repair the roof is when the sun is shining.
1. Hi, I'm Caitlin. And I'm Zoe. And we're bringing life hacks back to school.
The first life hack is to label all your school supplies so if they get lost, whoever found them knows who to give them to. You can use labels or stickers or use Sharpies to write names and numbers and classroom numbers straight onto the notebook or on stickers. Here's what you should do with other school supplies. Pencils, write with a thin Sharpie pen. For an eraser, write lightly with Sharpie pen, or you can write your name or your number. For scissors, use thick Sharpie to write on the name on the side. Make sure you label all your school supplies.
The second life hack is to organize your stuff. In class, we use caddies. Separate pens, pencils, crayons, colored pencils, glue, and maybe scissors into a pencil case or sections of a basket or caddy. If you don't have any of those, we use rubber bands to hold our sections of stuff together. Now you have an organized school supplies.
Thanks for watching. Bye.